Hi guys, we're gonna react to episode 2 of Grilling. Episode 1 was funny as hell, bruh. Funny as hell. Hope episode 2 bring more joy, more comedy, and well, now.
I'm genetically jacked, athletically stacked, half man, half amazing, modern day Mac. 6 foot of chocolate, make you wonder like Stevie, fam. My
What
name
the?
expressions oozing.
This
You know,
guy seem
like
like a
that.
talker,
And the
bruh.
girl that's on this date better not be butters, fam. I'm telling you right now. I've had my heart broken, fam. You know them way say I'm here to find a proper woman. I'm not trying to see no gal that goes to the same barbers as me, that will be borrowing my trainers, no size 9 foot gal or nothing like that. Some boy better no tracksuit on a
Yo, this
on
nigga
a
said
suit
size
me.
9
I
foot.
ain't worried about her. She better be worried
Are the
about
same
me. I'm
barber?
chocolate
Meaning him no
Superman,
want a
like,
girl
you
in
know,
no
like
eerie
that, fam.
face
I'm
and
in
a
the
beard
middle
and
of
not
the
like that.
rotation. I'll be dominating that convo. Take a grilling,
This dude
fam.
seem
Oh,
like a
I'll take that
talking,
like
bruh.
Robbie Williams and Gary Barlow, fam. You know, like that. Let's go.
Yo, I feel like he's gonna do good, bruh. I feel like he's gonna do good. I don't know if he's gonna overwhelm her, but I feel like he's
Oh
gonna do good.
my days, blood. This is what I'm talking about, bruv. I'm tired of these man setting me up. I'm sorry about that. You know them way there.
You know what? She kind of look like Leia
How
Ann from
are
Little
you
Mix.
doing?
For some
It has a
reasons.
nice one.
She
Yeah,
kind of look
suckers
like
wear them.
Leia Ann.
That headband, no. Just the outfit was
What?
booming it, but the headband, it killed it. Killed it.
It go
How
with
are you?
the outfit.
What's your name?
Cheyenne.
Ooh, I love that name.
Okay, what's your name?
My name's Chocolate Superman.
Superman.
Yeah.
What makes you chocolate Superman?
Is that
All of
his
it.
real
You
name?
know,
That,
I'm
no,
well,
that's his
man.
real
Oh,
name,
yeah.
bruh.
And I'm
Really?
telling you, I walked over here and you remind me of Christina Milian from the Dip It Low video, rolling in chocolate, boy. I'm telling you, I can't
This
believe
dude
it.
is funny
My
as
luck
hell.
is in.
Just started and it's funny as well.
Listen, Dad, I'm telling you, she's going to the shops and buying a packet of hula
I
hoops,
know it, but
fam.
she's gonna
Telling
laugh, bruh. I don't
everyone
know
I'm
if
nice
she's
in
gonna
the
take him
blood.
serious,
We're gonna have more
but
rings than Thanos, blood.
he's making
Ella
her
Stones,
laugh,
blood.
so I'm
Plenty Tom
guessing
Stones out here.
he's kind of
She's
winning.
all up. She's on, man. I know that for a fact, blood. And if
But it
she's
could be that
not,
she's just
I
taking
swear I'm
on the
gonna be single
comedian
for the rest of my life, blood.
and
But you
not a,
can't
as
be
a
looking at a guy
arousal
like that,
standpoint.
undressing me with your eyes from the moment I sat down and then.
For now, I don't think alpha male actually tell people that he's an alpha. I think they normally shows it in whatever they do. So anybody tell you that, oh, I'm alpha male, I don't think you're really an alpha dude. You show it in what you do, and your presence emanate alphaism. So I don't think it's something that you tell people about, but
I could do all the
I don't know,
things a
man.
man won't do, like
I always
Jerry,
find that
them
very
boys there.
strange
Do
anytime
you earn
people
good
mention
money?
that.
So I earn good money. Yeah, I earn pretty decent money. I'm not even. I'm wearing a Gucci headband, sweetheart.
What's decent money?
Oh, you want to know how much I earn? Once I do my accounts, I'll get back to you. It's a bit forward, but no part still, so I'll allow you. Bruv, this girl's high, fam. I couldn't
Yo,
believe it immediately.
I
I was
like
thinking
how
what went through my
they are
head. I'm thinking
dodging
about
the
that
money
Kanye
question.
West tune. Go
Even
on,
the
Philly
first
came through
episode.
my head, but I was gonna sing it at the table, you know. Big man thing. She's lucky she was buff, blood. Trust me. If she was a 7, she would have definitely got. I would have told her, blood. But I can't lie. She's sexy, fam. So yeah, I like
Yeah,
to
she
know what she wanted to do.
listen. I don't know,
This
bro.
is the third test of my time.
She look
Want to
nice,
ask you some
but
questions that
I
usually
don't know
don't
how the
ask on
UK compare to America. America
Oh, the
girls
way I
are
see it
fire,
is
bro.
bro, legs
So
don't
I
make
don't
a
know how
girl
the
sing.
UK
No
really
point
compare
wasting
to
time,
America
you know, like
girls.
that.
So
confident,
she
yeah?
could be like a 10 in the UK and a 8 in America. Who to tell, bro? I don't know, but
You
she
want
look
to
good though.
match?
Well, I think I'm exceptional. The only person that can take my girl away from me is Ghost from Power. You know, like that. Any other man, I'll have something to say about it.
What makes you confident?
Yeah,
To be
right.
fair, yeah, when I go home and I look at my birth certificate, yeah, and it says Chocolate Superman, it just shows me, innit? You know what I mean? I was
That's
always
not
made
on your
to be
birth
something
certificate,
great.
dude.
You know what I mean?
I'm
Chocolate
pretty
love from the sun
sure your
to the
mom
tan. I tell
didn't
you the
name
dark
you that.
chocolate. You like chocolate?
Do
Yeah. What do you like doing with it?
they get a bit, hot? But are you a cool? Let me know.
Yo, damn!
I
Look at
feel
that.
like I'm a good person.
Are you a good person?
Get her
Yeah, you know, my
smiling,
friend.
bro. Man, she's a freak too, though, bro.
Are you a good person?
I held a charity event
She like
in
them talk
Mexico.
there, you know.
Doing what?
Working with kids, you know, in Mexico, like a lot of kids get kidnapped. I'm not sure if you've seen the film Man on Fire by Denzel Washington, but a lot of kids get kidnapped and that, and it's really, that's not a good thing, innit? So I went over there, you know what I mean, my good friend's got a yacht. You may know him, like he's very well known. His name's Pedro Morales Gonzalez Moroto Mazato Modesto.
Is he telling the truth, bro? Honestly, God, I don't know if he's actually telling the truth right now. Because he seemed to have the talking part, but I don't know if he's really,
This is serious, blood. You know them way there. Like she's buff,
really
blood.
telling
I
the
don't want this
truth.
to be a thing, but I don't see her again, blood.
He's a talker, but I want to know if he's really telling the truth, bro.
I'd say 2 minimum. You know what I mean? But I would go for more, innit? You know what I mean? Do you wanna try making some?
No, I don't want to try making
Not yet.
a first date.
I thought you on the first date. You damn right, boy.
Oh, Damn, straight up, dude. You're kind of leaning fast, bruh. You could at least say it more smoother, but this guy probably don't give a fuck, bruh. He probably just
What do
saying
you
what is
mean?
on his
I'm
mind
so
right
fresh and
now.
so clean, like Andre 3000, boy. You know them way there.
But I feel like
I
if
can
you,
go into my
No,
notebook and
you
send you
got
a
too
text message from
much
the NHS, man. Say,
phrases,
you
bruh.
want to
She's
get
probably
chlamydia?
praying.
Negative.
yeah, but
You
I
know
feel
them
like
way
if you put
there.
it out so easily, it just shows you don't have that much
Yeah, well, look at the
self-respect.
question that you've been asking me, but where's your self-respect about how much money do I earn? Let's say here comes the money. Are you Shane McMahon this year?
Yeah, but
Oh,
I've got
nice.
to be right, you know. I've got to know you're earning good money, a man that can support me.
Support,
You
am
know.
I universal credit, blood?
Dude,
But I
this
would like
dude
a nice
want
family man.
Family
You.
this
man, you
dude don't
know.
want no
Yeah.
traditional
You know,
woman,
since I
bruh. You
look
want an
after 8 people
alpha
exchange
woman.
and that.
Would you say you're a family man?
Of course, yeah, bro. It's a family affair. You know what I mean? Like Mary J. Blige and that. Trust me, I love family.
Yeah, I love
Honest to
family.
God, bruh, I
What was
think
you gonna do with her headband?
I
he's
was gonna
cool,
wear a
but
hat
he's doing
that matched
the
my
ad
jersey and
libs
that. But the
way
thing
too
is,
much,
yeah,
dude.
like I
Even to
wanted to
me,
show
it's
you
kind of
that I'm taking you
cringing.
seriously, innit?
He's doing
Like
the ad
even that
libs,
Blige
they're
and
like
Music video,
way
like
too
Music always
much.
see me with a hat on.
So
So you
I'm
know what?
thinking
I
that
got more
she's
weight than
probably
your
thinking the
family and that.
same.
So let me show her that. Put on the little Gucci headband, you know them way
Wait,
there, and show her
and
that
all
there's
of these
nothing in
guys
there.
say they're raised in the
Right, man.
Caribbean. I feel like they're raised by Caribbean
You don't
parents,
like the
not
headband?
raised in the
Take it off.
You
Caribbean.
know what it is? I don't
Wait,
like
you want me to take it
labels.
off? If you take it
Because
off, then you
some
have
of
it.
these guys
I
don't
take
seem
everything off. I find
the
like some
Caribbean.
people that
They
wear
don't have the
labels on
Caribbean
their
chill.
clothes, but they don't actually have money. You know, like when you're trying
Yeah,
to stunt.
yeah.
Are you trying to stunt?
No, of course not. You know them way
Are you
there.
sure?
Because I'm very sure. I've got internet
Yeah,
banking
because
and
they are
everything.
wearing two
I hate it
different.
when people wear labels. It's like, oh, I find people that wear labels don't have that much money. Because it's
Because
like,
he's wearing
some
two
people
different
are really
brands. That's the
rich and
next
so
thing.
fancy.
I said it from day one. You got Gucci and Givenchy on,
I just
dude.
think
At
it's
least wear
unnecessary.
one
It's
brand,
all
bro.
right, but you know what I mean? I'm definitely a catch boy. Nothing to do with COVID. You know, like that boy. You can definitely catch me. I'm telling you.
I want to see how
I
far
wonder
you
if he's
can.
actually a DJ
Yeah,
or
we got more
something or a
chemistry than a
rapper.
three-legged table,
Is
babe.
that
Yeah,
so?
yeah, yeah. Look how my hands are over there, boy.
Yeah,
I'm
your
telling
hands
you.
are there. My hands are here.
Yeah, I know, but that's because you're leaning back like Fat Joe, warm
So you're
up
calling
and
me
that.
fat?
No, 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 no. Fat, yeah, you are fat. P-H-A-T, pretty hot and tempting. Jeez.
Oh my god. This dude is
No.
funny, bro.
Now, you know why, yeah?
Why?
No, no, let me tell you why. Because, yeah, something needs to attract me for me to chat to someone. Don't get me wrong.
Dude,
If
why are
someone's like my brethren,
females
like say I'm forced into a
like
situation and
always shocked about this situation? Dude, men cannot read your freaking mind. They cannot look at you big brain and oh she's smart, she's blah, blah, blah. We don't know that shit. We attract by physical. Physical. I said that in the first episode. Physical and probably women attract to like what a man can do. Like if you see him like a banker or a doctor, it doesn't matter what he look like. Just the occupation alone can
I'm
get
chatting to a
a
girl,
woman
then I realize, oh,
up.
right, she's actually a nice
But
girl.
we
But for
we like
me,
the
say I
looks,
don't
bruh.
know a girl and I'm just walking or I'm in a club or whatever. I'm not gonna see a dead. I mean, if a girl ain't nice to me and she don't attract me, I'm not gonna walk over to her to find out what her personality's like. Do you understand?
Yeah,
So
that's
there's got to
right.
be
That's
something that
but she
attracts me.
knows what is up,
You know
man.
what I
She knows
mean?
what's up, bruh.
It could be like
She's just
that.
playing.
Yeah,
If
but
I'm
what am I
really-
gonna hear? That what am I just gonna be hearing a girl, or a girl making some Jim Carrey jokes like loud in the club and left
Don't
for
you
that?
think it's a bit shallow?
Shallow. No, I
Wait,
can't.
banter. I think banter mean jokes. I think. Man, these British words are funny, bruh.
Swim blood, so
Banter, I mean joke.
it makes no difference to me. Would I care or would I let her know that I care? Would I personally
Would you
care?
care?
Dude, honest to God, I wouldn't really care. But as I said in the first episode, it actually matters for relationship wise because it show. All right, I'm gonna say this, bro. Why do you think Asians make such better relationship wise? Because they don't really have a lot of body counts, bro. Most Asians don't really have a lot of body counts, so they. I'm posting the culture too, but the whole sexual thing really let them be perfect wives and partners. I'm just being honest, man. Asians, I think, is the lowest divorce rate in the world. So they must be doing something right.
Yeah.
You damn right, blood.
Why?
What do you mean, why?
Why would you care? What if I said we're like 100 now?
Well, then I won't be number 101. You know them way there. I'm not a side man. I'm not halloumi
Dude,
cheese.
you're
I'm not
lying,
corn
bro.
on the
You're gonna
cob,
run up
fam.
in that
I'm
guts, bro.
steak. You know,
Remember, you
like
can
that.
just do
If you
it
sleep
and
with
just
100
cut.
and
You don't have
whatever
to
thing,
stay with
yeah,
her, bro.
but it's
Come
one.
on.
Come on, boy. I might as well go marry a bucket. You know them way there. That's what it is, boy. I might as well just go and rub one out in the alleyway, because that's how it's gonna feel in the bedroom.
How many people do you sleep
Nah. No. dude, I'm gonna be honest, bruh. I've been through some situation where the count is high with certain situation, and it is normal. Normal as hell, bruh. So you cannot really judge about how many pencil go into the sharpener. Sometimes it doesn't really work like that, bruh. So
Huh?
it's based on the
I'm not
person.
gonna
So
lie,
is
yeah.
it a double standard?
She's asking me all these questions. I'll ask her all them questions. If I don't like what I got to hear, let's say I ain't taking her out ever again, fam. You know what I mean, bro? We can go to Club Duvet, blood. You know them way there, fam. I'm telling you, I already said she can suck it like Triple H and Shawn Michaels, fam. She Generation X, blood.
Yo,
Fuck
you know
you
what?
say.
This guy
I don't
look
need to
like
use my
Dirty
face.
Berry. He's a
I don't even
Jamaican
understand who
YouTuber.
counted that high, babes.
I'm
I'm
gonna
not gonna lie,
probably
I
put
don't
a
know how
picture
many
right
girls I've
up
slept with.
and make
But
you
A lot.
see the
yeah,
resemblance
Slept with a
against
lot.
Dirty Berry
And you
against
wouldn't
this
let
dude.
me sleep with the same
He
amount
looks
of
just the
guys.
same.
no, because I'm here right now. You don't need to sleep with no one else.
Date was going well, he's making me laugh, but it's this double standard that I hate in men. I think it's quite toxic if I'm honest.
Lady, this is not toxic. Just like how women have double standards, men also have double standards. This bullshit with women always talk about, oh, men have double standards. You guys have double standards too. It's just that when it's not benefiting you guys, you got a problem with it. But when it's benefiting you guys, oh, sunshine, rainbows, everything is good.
Now you could have never
That's
slept with
bullshit.
100 men. Look at you, boy. You no way you'll let 100 men get all of that, boy. No way.
But
They
it
don't
happens.
deserve it. Huh?
But it happens.
Nah. Just have content that you want private that people have to pay for. You understand?
But you subscribe to mine, fam.
Jeez. Sorry, I was just started looking at Tia and Tamira, blood. You know them way there.
No.
Sister and that, boy. I saw
Oh
that
my god,
talking
he's
low, fam.
dude,
You know what I mean?
dude,
Talking like a
don't
local
be a
girl in Myth.
freaking creep, bruh.
I know it's difficult when you've got someone stood there in like a low cut top, but a lot of the time I do actually to test guys. I want to see if they're looking at me and they're concentrating to what I'm saying, or if they're looking at my chest. So it's the test.
Do you always look at women's
I
boobs
lie,
on
I cheat,
dates?
I steal, blood. Huh?
Do you always look at women's boobs on dates?
I look at women's boobs that ask me how much
Look,
money I'm
bruh,
earning.
he's
Cross that line, cross it in
overdoing
the
it,
air.
bruh.
You know what I mean? This girl's putting her chest
Look
and
at
she
him.
doesn't in that, like, jeez, gang business. What I'm talking about, chest and
And this guy
chest.
at this point, he's just comedic
Wow.
relief. Literally, comedic relief, bruh.
100%. I would definitely want kids. One thing I can say is like, I feel like in this life you can do this, you can make as many moves as you want, do you understand? But it's about leaving your legacy, it's about building stuff and
True.
leaving it for someone else, do you understand?
That's true, bruh.
It would be very selfish of me to not want children, but I've always wanted
Even
children.
though
You know
I'm not
what about
really,
you?
Yes, cute. Well,
I don't
dream
know, man.
kid,
I'm
like
confused
big
about that
kid,
situation right now. But
living on a nice island with a nice husband looks after me.
island, which island? Caribbean island.
Yes. Would you?
Yeah,
That's good. No trust issues or anything.
I didn't say that.
Did you have trust issues?
Nah, I ain't got no trust issues. I got two phones like Kevin Gates, but she don't need to know about it. I got two phones, one for the plug and one for the love. You know them way there.
Have you ever cheated?
Have I ever cheated? Yeah, I cheated on one test.
I knew it,
in school,
bruh.
blood one time. I can't lie, the teacher caught
Bruh,
me, but
stop
we
lying,
didn't.
man.
Why are you avoiding the question?
I'm not avoiding anything,
Like,
sweetheart. Make it
cheated.
more specific.
Okay, have you ever cheated in a relationship?
And I will have your shit.
Why are you trying to backtrack? I know you're lying.
Let me get a drink.
See, I know you're kind. You like to mock the questions to avoid it. I know exactly what you're doing.
What is this wine?
She's smart,
this is
bruh.
heavenly.
And
what year
he's
is this,
probably
darling?
playing
Hold on,
along,
it's just
but
the palate, like,
you should really just answer the question, but straightforward. But I would love to be in one of this game, man. Honest to
have I
God.
cheated? Hell
To
no.
see
Really?
if I would
Listen,
fall to
the
her,
way I
just
see it is, yeah,
be straightforward.
what consists of cheating? No, I haven't. No, big man thing, I haven't.
Good.
I haven't cheated. And you know why I can tell you I haven't? Because you see with me, I'm not someone, like, I live by the code, don't start something you ain't got the heart to finish, innit? You know them way there. It's never been a thing where I wanted to bust my nut so hard that I went and dumped a girl. That's what kind of foolishness. You know them way there. But when the well runs dry like Craig David, boy, you know what I mean? And you just got to let her know it's over. You got to do it, innit?
But have you ever led anyone
But
on?
dude, let's be honest,
What's
bruh.
going on? Am I the Pied Piper?
In
I
most
don't do
situations,
people, like,
women leave men,
So you're
not
straight
man leave women.
Straight
So
talking. If you want
I would
to
say
go
80 to
like the full
20.
mile, we can do that. If you want to be FWB, we can do that. But it's not going to be friends with benefits. It's going to be friends with big benefits. You know them way there. I'm rolling with the knife.
Yo,
So you've got a big dick.
Yeah, damn right, bruv.
You know how to use it.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Listen, I'll take you to Fort Park right now, boy. Trust me, there'll be waterworks in here.
I don't like rides.
oh my God, she don't like rides, bruh.
What do you mean?
Man, she looked. I don't know. She looked
Doing
kind of
your hair
like
now.
Jessie or
Bruv,
Little
you get me? You
Mix.
ain't coming in my batty.
Honest to God, but I'm
Why?
looking at her,
Bruv,
but she
yeah,
looked
well,
kind
then
of
it's
like
yours, then
Jessie
I'm all
No, no,
for
no,
it.
come next to me.
But
or
some girls like sticking things
Leanne.
up there, and
What
I'm
I'm
like, I'm not
saying,
doing
Little
it,
Mix,
innit? I'm not doing
Leanne
that. I'm not doing hard time like Boris Kojo, fam. Like,
or
I've got a
Jade.
clean license, I ain't got no criminal record, so why would
Dude,
I
she
want
look like
my
one of them,
privacy
bro.
violated like that? You know, you sticking nothing up there, like, less of that.
Would you put your dick up?
Bonfire and that,
What, in
bro.
a batty?
Like, yeah, would you?
You know what,
I'm
yeah?
just saying.
Shout out Pride Festival. I'm a big fan of them. Rainbow laces, Skittles, all of that. But I'm not sticking my Johnson's Johnson in no, yeah,
So
no
you don't
pita
do
No
bread,
it?
back
no
door,
pita
no
bread
back
only
door.
in it. No batties and
I mean, none of that, bro.
oh, what you mean with gal? Oh yeah, no, 100%. Fam, I'll stick that in you. I'll stick that in yours,
Wait,
100%. Not
did
guys
you
though.
think she
You know
was
what I mean?
talking about dudes, bro? This is mad.
Yeah. Okay.
So for me, yeah,
Oh, yes and no.
I'll get
Dude,
married
honest
so
to God,
my wife can have the same surname as my kids, innit? Like, if it's a
to
big
me,
moment for the
I'm
wife,
on
I
the
still
more of the
think
no
she like.
about that situation. That is bullshit. You know why? Because I've been in that situation where I've been friend with, you understand? And then I still get the chance to advance certain situation. Even though the other person got their dealings. So I still get to enjoy certain benefit. So that's why I don't believe in this friend with friends, blah blah blah. That's nonsense, bro. That's nonsense. So whoever believe in that shit, that's on you, bro. Because your girl can get her back being blown out and you don't even know, bro. I'm just saying.
Yeah,
Wait,
blood.
so you'd
I'm
be
just
friends with
saying,
your
bro. From my
ex?
I don't give a
experience,
fuck. Yeah, what? Yeah.
from
That's
my
such a double
No,
experience,
standard,
no, no,
though.
no, it's not.
it
No, it's not.
happened a
No, it's
good
not.
amount of time.
Man said you'll
So
be friends with your ex, yeah? I could be friends with my ex. Don't mean I'm seeing her, innit?
I can be friends with my ex.
Huh?
I could be friends with my ex.
Yeah, but you ain't
yeah,
seeing her.
right.
So you're not seeing your ex.
That's fine. I don't want
But
to
you
see her.
said
She's
you
my
said.
ex for a reason.
But
You
you
know them
just
way
said you'd
there,
be friends
triple
with.
X like Vin Diesel, fam.
But
Get
you
them
just.
out of here.
But,
I'm trying to see you.
but you just
You
said
know
you'd
what
be
I mean?
friends with them.
Beautiful, jeez.
Dude,
Here
he's
we go,
trying to
lying,
overtalk
my
everything,
love.
bro.
That's what I'm imagining. I'm
It's
undressing with
funny,
my eyes.
Don't
but
You know
undress
what I mean?
me.
it's
Nah,
kind
that's why
of
I wore these, you know.
annoying in a
I
way.
don't
I'm
even
not
need
gonna
these
lie,
gloves.
bro.
I wear them literally for driving, yeah. Man, them know. All my oozing army and that know. I literally wore these because I want to make sure, yeah, that you get me. I'm not gonna go home and be like, oh, you know what, X, you were 7 out of 10, bro. I want to make sure that 9 or that 10 is a 10, blood. Jeez.
I wonder
Like
what's the
the
ratings is
crazy
gonna get.
thing
It's probably
about
gonna get for because it's funny. It's probably
celebrities.
gonna get a
She
7
might
or
get
8.
onto man if I release this information, blood. We move, blood. Me and her did the bare butt boogie in a club, innit?
The what?
The bare butt boogie.
What's that?
You don't know what
You
the bare
fucked
butt
in a
boogie is?
club,
No.
bareback,
Jamaica's kids, darling. Bare butt
You had
boogie.
sex in a
It's like,
club.
you damn right, boy.
bareback.
We made love in this
Didn't she
club.
hear
Trust
that?
me, it's
That's
Usher's fault.
obvious,
In
bruh.
this
You
club.
actually had sex in a
Yeah,
club.
it's Usher's fault, blood. You made love in this club, and I said, you
Like,
know what? I'm swinging Savalos like I said, whoosh. I said, like, whoosh. I'm
Oh
a
my
7-minute man,
god,
you know,
dude.
big man thing.
This guy have a lot of energy,
how are
man.
you doing on the date?
Well, shouldn't I be asking you how am I doing on the date? You know, then well, you haven't walked away yet. I thought you were gonna be doing like Craig David, "Ooh, walking away."
I'm still
Well,
here.
you're still here. I love it.
Yeah, you're doing alright. What would you do if your boys were liking all of my pictures?
They wouldn't. My boys wouldn't do that because
You
my
what?
boys look at the ground when they see my gal. My boys don't even know what my gal look like. They know what trainers she's wearing because my boys have respect for me.
But
And
what
any
if
other
though?
man, they wouldn't.
What if though?
They wouldn't.
What
It
if?
would be the last thing they see. Matt Murdock, Daredevil. You know what I mean? They wouldn't.
You'd be surprised. I've seen men.
I wouldn't be
men.
surprised because like my circle's small for a reason. The only thing that's small though, you know them way there.
Yo,
What would
she's
you
right
do
though, man. You have
if
some dude
you
will
had
just look your
10
girl
million
for some
followers
reason,
on
bro. Like
IG?
someone that look, listen, I feel like
What
some
else
dude
me?
has some
You know
fetish
them way I go to the
of looking
politics.
their
What?
Labour,
friends,
I don't deal
girls.
with
Honest to
politics.
God, bro.
I'm a
I knew
conservative
no
Labour
guys
MP.
like
No,
that
as
have
in
a fetish
baby,
with looking their
baby
friends,
Labour.
girl.
Oh!
Yeah, think about it.
Some weird
My
reason.
baby, yeah?
Yeah,
I
we're having
consider
a
it a
baby. I'm in
fetish.
labour.
What's the score?
Come on.
Be with you, blood?
Bitches Labour.
Yeah. Labour. Jeremy Corbyn and that. Hell no, fam.
Honest to God, I'm gonna ask this question, dude. Why is this question even being asked? Your girl is in labor, you're watching a football game. Is England really that obsessed with football? This is really a question. I heard it in the first episode and I was like, uh, why is that a question? But I didn't even say it. But now I'm hearing it again. It's like a real big deal. That's very
I weren't
strange.
honest, blood. She mad,
That's
bro. My team ain't won a
very
trophy since I was born. Not even a
strange.
Worthington Cup, blood. I can give her another kid, blood. I can't win another trophy, blood, because it ain't me playing. But was I honest? Less of that, blood. No, them, don't tell her, though.
Are you freaking nuts, bro? Dude.
What would you do if
You know
I
what? I'm not even gonna say that. That's kind of mad, though. Mad to me. Like,
Better be women. I'm
that's
all for
crazy.
it, bruv. Trust me. We can have a triple threat. We can have a fatal four-way as long as the gal's nice. You know them way there. And obviously downstairs ain't smelling like fish because I don't eat fish. Are you high about it? We could just do our thing, innit?
so you disrespect your mum by being with someone she doesn't like?
No, my mum doesn't have to. No, that's foolishness. If my mum,
So if your mum
no,
didn't
my
like
mum.
you-
No, less of that. Less of that. Mum, when you watch this, I hope you're watching this because I know you love watching my stuff. Mum, you can't tell me what gal I can be with. Don't get me wrong. You can give me your opinion on her. Do you know them way there? If my mum didn't like her for a reason, like say, oh, she did something, that's different. But if my mum just don't like her, is she high blood? My mum ain't laying next to her. You get me? My mum ain't the one having grandkids with her. Less of that blood. You know what I mean? My mum will like the grandkids.
Do you know, I know I asked the question about his mum, but for me, I'm very big on like mums and like families. So
Yeah,
it's
because
always-
that's a
I
key
find it a bit
thing,
odd
bro.
that someone would kind of like date someone their mum didn't like, because I personally wouldn't date someone if my parents didn't like them.
That's what I do. I get
Wow.
quick if your mum didn't like you. Because then maybe she'll start to like you when she sees the kids.
Yo, I understand her point of view, though.
I'll decline, blood. Decline. Shout out Jammer fam. You know that? Decline. You know them
Wait,
right there.
Why would you
I'm
your
really
same
wondering
tactic?
if someone actually gonna go
Well,
on
it
a date
depends. It
in
depends.
this
Well, they are
competition.
active. Yeah,
Like,
they are very active.
Do you
if
just
they
like to take a
won
lot of
or win the
risks?
I
competition,
don't need to.
if
I'm
they're
not
actually
like-
gonna go on a date.
My DMs are, yeah, yeah, they are.
Yeah. Are you a one woman man or do you like to play the field and have multiple women on the go? Tell the truth.
What do you mean? So what? If I'm seeing someone, if I'm in
Yeah.
a relationship,
Yeah, if you're seeing someone, do you
if I'm seeing someone that's worth it, then I don't need to see.
You know what I
anyone
like?
else,
What
you know, them
she's
way
doing?
there.
She's keeping eye contact. I don't know if you guys are realizing. She's keeping
I think you're right in the
very
same boat.
good.
You know, them way there.
Oh,
scale of 1 to 10, rate yourself.
big up, big up. She's keeping
Rate myself.
good
Rate
eye
me.
contact.
Yeah, on your game.
Oh, my game. Kenteen. Boy, comment below. Boy, I got more game than Triple H. More game than Hunter Hearst Helmsley, fam. You know them way there. More game than G Unit. You know, like that.
What do you think?
This dude is corny, man.
I see the way you be looking at me, boy. I'm telling you, boy. I'm in there.
Dude, she got.
I got
She
my
doesn't like to
sheets on the
look
bed, you
at
know, and I'm not gonna lie, we're gonna be
people.
rolling
She
like
was
this
looking at the same dude that in first episode, bro.
The date actually went well. I'm not gonna lie, it was funny, made me laugh.
Damn, look at her
Personally,
face.
I think it went great, lad. I think it went
Dude,
great.
I wonder if he's gonna get
She
an
was
8.
all over me, fam. I'm telling you, she's all over me like a string vest in Jamaica, blood.
And it's not nice. It's not nice.
Jamaica,
I feel like
Jamaica.
I'm big on sense. So.
Are you telling me?
Big your
You see what she's doing? She's giving him low score on objects, his shirt, headbands. Shouldn't you downgrade his personality? Wouldn't that make sense? He could just literally wear a different shirt. So the shirt would give him more score. Or a shirt would. Dude, this labeling is so freaking weird because how would a shirt tell you that a person is a good person, yes or no? Wouldn't that be the most important thing? Okay.
Goes up in that, but you man are halloumi
That's very
cheese,
strange, though.
Your coleslaw blood, your corn on the cob, fam. I'm steak blood, yeah? I'm the primary man here, fam. You know them way there. I'm Mufasa blood, I'm Simba blood, I'm everything.
I'm gonna give him a 7.5.
Oh, he got a 7.5. Wow, that's crazy. Wait, I said he's gonna probably get a 7 or 8. So 7.5. He did. I don't know, bro. He did cool. He was funny and everything, but I think, yeah, I think some of the answer that he gave was mostly straightforward. Like the other dude was kind of if and butting, even though he was whatever. But this guy is he's funnier, probably kind of cooler than the other guy in a way, in a slight way. But I didn't like it. All the bag of jokes. The weird ad libs thing that he was doing, that was just too much sometimes. But it's cool. So, but this girl with the double standard, like she don't like the double standard. Like, dude, I want them to ask her if she doesn't know that women have double standards too, and if she doesn't like that, wouldn't that be hypocritical? Saying you don't like double standard, but you like it on your part when it happened to you. Like you can go into the club for free, you can want yacht for free, you can do all a lot of stuff for free, but is it that double standard for men?